beginning 2011 chemistry paper. Yeah, first question. The 3D block element that shows the highest electrical conduction is. Yeah, may I ask your answer?
Copper.
Copper. Yeah. How obtain the answer? How did you get answer?
Usually, in many conducting items, we use copper.
That's right. We can here approach two ways. The most of the students memorizing like the 3D block elements, comparing elements, uh, copper have highest electric conductivity. But we can, yeah, you can use a practical approach also. But I would like to express using chemistry. How do we obtain? Yeah. First, yeah. If you can write down this, I think that's good. Points, not much points, right? First, here we can see all the elements are 3D block metals.
Yeah.
Right. First point, metals.
Mm.
Metals can remove their outermost shell into metallic lattice.
Yes.
Yeah. Second point, right? Metallic lattice. Though, right? The element have, right?
Mhm.
Note down point wisely. The element have, not whole, the idea only, okay?
Mm.
Only idea. The element have lowest first ionization energy. Lowest first ionization energy can easily give electrons to metallic lattice. Third point, right? Right.
Okay.
To remove electron easily, the element have less stable electronic configuration.
Let's
Or if element release one electron, it will obtain higher stability electronic configuration. If releasing one electron and obtaining highest configuration electronic, highest stable electronic configuration. When you considering here, look at here, you can see manganese. Manganese belongs to group number 7. Here manganese outermost shell configuration 4s2 3d5.
Yes.
4s2 3d5. 4s2 3d5. Right. What kind of electron first release?
For S electron.
For s electrons. But after removing s electrons, not much stable electronic configuration.
Configuration. Yeah.
Yeah. Cobalt 4s2 3d7. After removing one electron, no
So
change.
it's the same.
Yeah. Nickel 4s2 3d8. Last configuration. Last two configuration. we couldn't see the stable configuration here also. Couldn't see. After removing one electron, 4s electron. No?
Yeah.
Have you remember the electronic configuration of copper?
Yeah. 4 is 1,
Yeah.
3D 5. 5.
No, 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 no. You missed. You mixed with chromium and copper. Chromium 4s1 3d5. Copper
4
4s1 3d10.
3.
3d10. Do you know about building up principle of Aufbau principle?
Yeah.
That's the way we filled electron into uh, what?
Orbitals.
Orbitals. Not orbitals. Sub-energy levels.
Okay. Yeah.
Sub-energy levels. Okay. So the exception from building up principle, chromium and copper.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So in here, copper, normally we filled 4s2 and 3d10.
Mm.
But to take stability, 4s removing one electron and D get one electron. And 4s1 3d10 configuration.
Okay. Yes.
Can you see outermost shell is 4s, fourth energy level and have one electron, like group 1 in S block. Not group 1, but
Yeah.
D block. Copper have in outermost shell one electron
Mm.
that can remove one electron and obtain 3d10 stability, right? So as a result of that case, easily removing electrons, low ionization energy having copper have highest conductivity, electrical conductivity. And then I want to know these things. Group number 11, in periodic table, 11 in table, occupied first element copper, 3D element, 4D element silver, third element gold. Both are all these elements in same group, means same configurations.
Mm.
This one copper 4s1 3d10, silver 5s1 4d10, gold 6s1 5d10.
Okay.
Can you see all configurations same manner? When you go top to bottom in a
Mm.
group, radius increases.
Yes.
If radius increases,
Yeah.
ionization energies decreases. So electrical conductivity,
Becomes high.
sorry,
Becomes high.
becomes high or increasing. And highest conductivity among all the metals, what
Mm.
is what?
Gold.
Gold. We use gold in our 6 to 11 some point. Have you remember you checked static electric static electric
Okay.
The instrument, there's gold foil there, and we put something, and that
No,
no. In English, we say Swarnapatra Vidyut Darshake.
is it gold foil experiment?
No, 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 not A levels.
Uh-huh.
I yeah, grade 7 or 8.
I can't remember this
Not remember.
name.
Okay. No. Here I wanna mention the highest conductivity having element is gold.
Mm.
But the problem, when we use gold into conduct electricity, people will cut the gold and put around neck
Mm.
and
Mm.
put around hand.
Mm.
Uh, some are put into ear also. So the rareness and less reactivity of gold price too high.
Yeah.
So, but we use gold in motherboards.
Yes.
Motherboard we use
In
in
processors and
yes,
microchips.
we need highest conductivity. So we are taking some kind of not much value gold. Um, so that's the point. So copper we using in household electricity wire cables and stuffs. Most of are made by copper due to widely availability and less cost effective way. That's the way we are taking answer for question number 1. You need to have uh, greater vision